Hi, my name is Corey Jacoby. I'm the lead interior designer for Jacoby Company, which is our business. My husband and I, Gary, own the company, and we have for 35 years. But the best part about my job, honestly, I wake up every day, I get to meet fabulous clients, I get to go incredible homes, I get to help them make their homes even more gorgeous. This home here, it's a home in Encino, is fantastic. I came, there was no window treatments, there wasn't any furniture, and I helped the homeowner design this, which was, we wanted to have a grass shade on the window because we wanted to be able to capture the light outside and capture the greenery. And then we complemented that by a fabulous window treatment, a drapery, that my husband Gary, come on in Gary, that my husband Gary, you want to meet our friends? Hello.
I'm Gary Jacoby, lead installer.
Lead installer.
What do you think?
So he's our installer, and he installed this fabulous window treatment that I came up with the homeowner. And before you do that, Gary, I'm going to point out to you our black 2-inch rod that complemented the beautiful lighting that she had. And we made this a traverse, so when they're sitting having dinner and drinking wine, they can just say, you know what, I don't want the outside world to see me. So they close the drapery, Gary, and voila. We have a room that's warm, inviting, sexy, if you will. And I am so pleased with this room, I can't stand it. So Gary, will you please open it up again? Woo!
I better get
there you go.
I better get some of these at my house.
We didn't need to go that far.
Oh.
So anyway, so this is just what I love about what I do. So let's go see the rest of the house. Come on.